What's up, guys? Welcome back to Herbs class for 5 more minutes of math. Today's topic, midpoints. So, key thing to think about when we're talking midpoints is the whole beginning of the word, mid. When you think midpoint, think middle. Exactly right. Think of the point that is exactly in the middle of two other endpoints. Looks something like this. Yeah, something exactly like that. M is the midpoint, exactly in the middle between A and B. So one of the problems that you're going to find out in math class is finding the midpoint between two endpoints on an axis, on like a coordinate graph, right? Let me show you what it looks like. Probably something like this. Bang! Yeah, exactly. Just like this. So we're looking to find this midpoint, the point that's exactly in the middle between these two endpoints. Okay, so to do that, think middle, think average. How do you average two things? Do you remember how to average two things? Yeah, that's exactly right. To average two things or to find the middle of two things, you add them up and divide by 2. It's the same with points. But how do you add 2 points together? I know. Yeah, what if we stack them up? We stack them up, we add them up, divide by 2. Stack them up, add them up, divide by 2. Stack them up, add them up. Yeah, you know the words. Let's do it. Let's stack them up just like that. I took my 2 endpoints, I stacked them on top of each other. So now what I can do is I can add the x's and the y's separately. Stack them up, add them up, just like that. -4 plus 6, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. Don't forget the last step though. Divide by 2. Exactly right. Take your x divided by 2, take your y divided by 2. So what you did was you took each x value, divided it, added it up, divided it by 2, and the same with the y's. You got an x and a y. Guess what that is? Exactly right. That's your midpoint. This point is exactly in the middle between those two endpoints. All right, it's not always going to be that easy. Let's kick it up a notch. So this don't look too much more difficult. What's the difference here? Look, they gave us the midpoint this time. So we got one endpoint, we got the middle point, and we need to find the other endpoint. Oh, wait a minute. Remember what middle means, right? If this number is in the middle, that means whatever we have to do to get from here to here, don't we repeat that motion to get from here to here? Yeah, if this is in the middle, that's exactly what that means. And whatever I got to do to get from here to here, I got to also do to get from here to here. So let's think about that. Let's take this one direction at a time. Horizontal first. How far do I got to go to get from 0 to 4? Horizontal, that's x, side to side, to get from 0 to 4. Didn't I go up 4? Yeah. So if that's the middle, and I went 4 to the right to get there, how many more do I go over to get to the other end? Here to here is 4. Doesn't that mean here to here's got to be, 4 also. So 0 to 4, if I add 4 more, I get, exactly right. So think about that. Remember the middle. We're going from here to here to get to the middle. One direction at a time. So horizontally, just x. I add 4 to get from 0 to 4. I added 4. So I should add 4 more to get to the other end. 4 plus 4, 8. Yep. Let's do that with the vertical also. Okay, so now to get from here up to the middle, we're on y's now. Started at 0, went to 6. I know it doesn't look like it, but according to these numbers, from 0 up to 6, I went plus 6. Good, now that plus 6 got me to the middle. Don't I got to do 6 more to get to the other end? Yeah, good. So if I started at 0, up to 6 to get to the middle, up 6 more, I got 12. Exactly right. If I did this right, this point should be exactly in the middle of those 2. Is it? If I stack them up and add them up and divide by 2, do I get this? Sure do. Let's do one more of those that's not so easy. Okay, bang. No picture to help, no 0, 0 endpoint. This is some real math here. Let's talk about this. So, one direction at a time. Let's talk just x's. To get from -3 to +1, what do I need to do to get from -3 to +1? +4, exactly right. So don't I need to add another 4 to get to the other end? Oh yeah. Yeah, and what is 1 plus 4? Good. Same thing for the y's. Now, how do I get from one end to the middle? Because I need to repeat that to get from that middle to the other end. So, +4 to -1. How do I get from +4 to -1? Yeah, you go down 5. So don't I gotta go down another 5? Yeah. What is -1 minus 5? Bang. And that's how you find the other endpoint. Thanks for checking it out, man. See y'all next time. Bye.